Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fixing this iPad. Let's go.
I remember the days I was out with the caps on board for the trap, but I done that. French.
Alright, so this is the iPad 6th generation in gold. It's got a shattered screen, but otherwise, let's see, everything does work normally. So I'm going to try and fix this screen. I have a replacement glass over here that we will unbox in a minute. We've got all the tools that we need. We've got some new adhesive. What do we need? We've got a heat gun. We've got everything so that we can fix this today. So yeah, let's go. Let's unbox this screen. That's the new screen. It's got a home button right now, but that doesn't have Touch ID. So if we do want Touch ID, we're gonna have to take the one out of this one. I'm just gonna leave this to the side. We'll come back to that in a minute. I am going to put some gloves on. And then this is my first time repairing anything, by the way. I've never repaired anything before in my life, like Apple device, electronic wise. So yeah, it's the first time for me. I'm going to load up an iFixit guide on my laptop up here, just to be on the safe side. Yeah, so I've drained the battery out of this, so there's absolutely no charge left in it. I've left the screwdriver somewhere, so I'm going to go get that as well quickly. Should we just heat gun it now, yeah? I'm not exactly sure how you're meant to do it, but let's just hope this is how.
I remember the days I was out with the cats on board for the trap, but I done that stuff. Nowadays I'll be out with a part in the face of the galley thing, I'm large and buff. I guess life can get hard and tough, but you gotta break through for the hardest stuff.
Right, let's try and see if we've got any luck opening this up. Also, I hope you guys are starting to enjoy the video quality. I started to record on my iPhone and record audio from my BM800 microphone. Hopefully it sounds a lot better than before when I was recording directly off my camera. Yeah, that's not gonna work, is it? We're gonna have to find a place to pour it. I'm gonna heat it up a bit more, I guess. While I find, let me find the screwdriver first, guys, because without the screwdriver I can't do anything.
A few moments later.
I have found it, guys, so we'll just start carrying. I'm gonna stick the tape on just because I don't want glass going everywhere. Alright, so I've taped up the entire iPad. I don't think this is how you're meant to do it, but I'm watching a YouTube video now down here. If I just take it here so you can see, watching the video here, that's my live stream video, and we're just going to watch that video and see if anything good happens. Hopefully something good does happen, hopefully, anyway.
I get money off streams anyway, I don't care about the days I was doing up labels. Con tu libera señorita, bien Constantino, fume toute la weed.
Alright, so it does smell a bit burnt. Oh, it just peels off. What? Oh. So we didn't even have to bother with this. It's just... it's not like freedom tape. Also, before any of you go saying, oh, there's screws on the bottom, there is no screw on the bottom. This is all held on by glue, because the screen on this is not laminated like iPhones and newer iPads or iPods and Macs and stuff. It's like a stuck on glass on top of the screen, more like older TVs. You know how they have a glass panel in front, so it's like that, and you can see the gap in between. I'll show you when we finish fixing this. So that's why I have to open it up instead of like doing what a normal YouTuber would do, apparently. Same as this, for example, my iPod Touch. It's got like a slight bit of laminated display. It's like a bit laminated, I think. In my opinion, it's not a very good design. So it's good that Apple probably ended up ditching it for the newer displays like the phones and iPads. I think the new iPad 10.2 does have it though, so yeah, they haven't completely got rid of it yet. This suction thing's not going to stick to anything though, is it? Yeah, see, it's not really strong. Let's take it to my MacBook. Oh, it's okay for sort of like the back, for example. That'll stick to that. But I don't need it for the back, I need it for the front. The entire front glass is shattered, so... If you guys have a better way of doing this, it would have helped if you could have dropped it in the comments down below. It would help. It's not gonna work. I'm going to try and get it in from here, because this is where like the main part of the iPad was like hit. So right here, so it's going to be all going towards this side, not there or there. So let's try and go for there. And according to this guy, Uber Geeks, he's used like a metal type of pry tool. So we're gonna have to look for something that's possibly metal, but I'll probably have to end up using a knife or something, which I do not want to use at all. There's a battery in there, there's loads of different components and stuff that I just don't want to be like messing with. Actually, should I try it? I think I should try this, that bit. I'm trying so hard not to touch much of the insides. Because everything else is in there. If this bit of glass touches in there, it's pretty much dead. And I want to bring this back to life, not kill it or completely. I should have gone for a metal pry tool. This is just not worth it, is it, guys? However, it's only been 27 minutes, so... I mean, on iFixit, it does say the difficulty is very hard. I think it's just because of this glass, like, entirely. I should wear some goggles or something, guys. I'm not wearing anything. I mean, in this video, he's literally just... Oh, God. He's literally just shredding apart the iPad, look. He just shreds through it. He doesn't care anything about that.
I saw on you.
So, in all truthness, I don't think we should be caring about the iPad anymore.
Now what the fuck did I pass it? Should've glassed him and got away from the target. Now I got this one thing all on my line shit. I feel quite busy, I have to bail back later. All that mad shit I did for my paper. I was out on the gram with some militant majors. All them rats on the street, yeah, I hate them.
Alright guys, so I don't think you guys want to be watching me breaking this up anymore, so I'll probably just stop the video for now, just for a bit. And then I'll come back to you in a minute after I've done something to it.
J'espère que tu nous connaissais, j'ai une gun dans la main pour te pardonner. Mes frères la famille, mes frères la mafiosa. Elle veut fuck avec la team, me chasing my dream to money like Sosa. Tony Montani, yeah.
We'll have a look. I'm just gonna take everything out, clean it all up, heat gun, clean my space up, and then we'll install the new screen in, test everything, make sure it's all working, clean this all up, and we'll be back. See you later.
How's your love life? How's your love life?
I've been riding with my brother since the day I fucking started this. Devil left him with mental issues. He's still part of this, he's part of me. Daddy fucking left, mummy still believed this. Lucifer that's running from the sunlight. When the dark proceeds, I'm fighting all these demons in my head just like my brother did.
So guys, quick update. I didn't actually drain the iPad. So we're gonna have to wait until this drains, or... Alright, I'm gonna have to see you back when it's drained out.
No, I died before I fucking snitch. I learned that from a kid. Me, my brothers and I would be riding on these silly pricks, trying to understand why they keep coming back. We made for this or favor this. I just fucked your bitch and made her.
The glass keeps ripping my poor gloves. Second glove now. This is really putting me off iPads. Also, I've decided to give up Touch ID. I don't think I'll be able to take this out. Or maybe I could. Alright, I'm just gonna wait for this to turn off. It's on 8% now. Should be fine for now. Alright guys, we are back. The iPad has now turned off. So we're just gonna get everything unplugged and stuff and finish this up. I am going to have to clean this area again, but for now I'm just going to leave it like that because I can't bother to do it anymore, to be honest with you guys. You know, there's probably a few professional people that fix like iPads and devices for a living, and they're probably just sat there pissing themselves right now, just laughing at how much of a shit job I've done. And I'm pretty sure they quote like 75 quid just to fix this all. So we're saving quite a lot of money, you know. Well, I'm just going to screw it off now. I'm hoping this is the only screwdriver I need. It's the only one that I was supplied with, so if it's not the right one, then I'll have to. I'm really happy with how this setup looks as well. I'm going to use my iPhone to record more videos in the future instead of using my normal camera, just because it shoots in 4K and it looks a lot nicer as well, especially on preview. And I'm editing on Final Cut now, Final Cut Pro instead of Premiere Pro, like what I usually use. Just heat the area up.
Pay for this, I don't care about no fucking label. Till they label this is that real. This jungle nutty bro, you'll get killed. Blood spilled from this Asian blade, we got that staying still. And every single day, bro, I've been grinding shit. Pride is hit, dancing with the devil, fuck, I'm kinda lit. All this lit.
Alright, so let's just plug these two guys in. There's magnetic, nope, we have to I generally don't want to work on any more iPads, guys. It's just so scary. Alright, that's it. That's all done. Wait, no. We shouldn't have done this. Let's clean the glass off first. Make sure everything is off, completely clean, and then we'll install everything back on, yeah?
Got me thinking about the times we dipped, sitting in that caravan just thinking where's the dead that prick. And shit just ain't the same, I need to fly away. The only fucking boost up in my head is jet alive today. You know the feeling when your auntie's not breathing, overdosing in your arms and you ain't got no fucking time to pray. And gee, that's alright, be faster since the day my cousin's chasing up his dream until the sky turns grey. Still I was trapping at a young and must have thought I was cool until them oldest took my life away.
One thing I found in here that was really cool is these magnets. So you know the case I had? So when it touches this, it would stick to it normally, and it would lock the iPad as well. So that's probably what makes it how happen. It's pretty cool, you know. Back to the time lapse.
So watch I take their lives away. Sell me dreams, you must be mad I'll take your life today. I'm no killer but my mind was getting bigger and my heart was getting colder in this little fucking game I played. Shit. Joe was only 15, conversating with some fiend shit. Still I'll be chasing up my dream, contemplating while I'm lean. I never stack lots, bro was in that trap moving crack rocks. I was bunking off school meeting mummy next to trap spots. And bro, she never had a clue, Jid, I don't wanna be like me, cause I just wanna be like you. G all started, we was young, me and my brother trying to have some fun. Knew that we was different, by age 15 I could shoot a gun.
And that is it. We are done, ladies and gentlemen. We are just need to clear the desk, get some of this glue out, and we are done. Oh, it looks so nice now. Let's go.
Don't trust me where I got it from, I couldn't tell. Just know that all my older brothers, friends are mostly clientele. Ask my cousin about all that nutty shit I done. Sending him pictures of all these raps I had, yeah, I was dumb. I was dumb but also young, so didn't fucking care. But now that I think of it, moving countries answered all my prayers. France was good but also bad cause I was moving it.
Alright, most of the glue, cleaned up the area. Let's start putting our display back together. First of all, let me put the battery screw on before I forget. It's such a small little thing. Let me just zoom in on that quickly. Okay, it's this thing. It's so small. I might just leave it like that for a few minutes while I put it back in. See? Look how big my fingers are compared to this. Is that it? Yep, that's all. Now, for this part, this is the main area. Sorry about that, guys. My computer fan's a bit too loud today. So what we need to do now is get the microfiber cloth over here. You can see. Can I just quickly go back to normal? Here we go. I'll put it like that for you guys. And then put the screen back on. It does need to be well clean. Let me just clean that first. I need to say, the iPhone 11 camera is really good. Look. Yes. Okay, one more, two more, and then it's the big screws. That was a bit more easier. And it's so smooth, look, and it's not in that too bad of quality. Guys, I think I'm going to stick to my iPhone for videos. Yeah, it's... No. Oh, so annoying. God, I need to pry tool. Sorry for blocking the camera, guys. If I am, I can't really tell. So we're going to slowly guide it in. This is the screw, and it needs to go into this hole. So just go. No. We have to be slow. Nope. No. Come on. Yes, we've got it. So all the holes in. Looks fine to me. Home button's back in. Everything has been installed to I'm very sorry for that, guys. Let me just install the bigger screws, and this won't be too hard, as I can physically touch them properly. So if I just move it in. That's one. We shouldn't over tighten these screws because that's not very safe practice, especially if we like snap the actual board in half or something. Either way, I'm not really bothered anymore. I'm tired. I just want to get this done and over with. It's been at least a good few hours. What time did I start? I started at like 10 and it's 2:18, so it took me 4 hours. As you can tell, I put a lot of attention into this video. Okay guys, we are nearly done. Just about done. Turns out we don't need any of these adhesive stuff. There's already stuff on the new screen, so I'm just trying to like take it off so I can stick it on. But as I don't have a pry tool anymore.
Trust me, I ain't talking about no. When I see moving shit, I watch Latch, I watch Reservoir Dogs. We were brothers in arms, cause we had weapons from COD, French.
There we go. All the screws are back on. There's a screen protector on there as well. Come on. That it is, all my friends. Let me just turn the light off. What's that I see? Come on. Power light. Let's go. I'll be back with you in a few minutes after this has turned on. Guys, after exactly 5 hours, I have only gone and done it. Look at that. Guys, Does everything still work? Alright, so if you remember a few weeks or months ago, I made a video on this. And just to show, camera still works. See, everything's fine. It's beautiful, guys. So that is it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, smash the like button. If you didn't, you can dislike. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on bell notifications so you are first to know when I upload. And follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Watch my other videos if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you all next time.